Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series,
Wolff Bites. Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Oh. Let's look at the 4 steps of the closing process. Number 1, make friends. That's where you build the rapport with your customer. Number 2, present the benefits. This is why they should say yes. Number 3, decide on the terms. And that would be your 4 pretty house deal points. Number 4, ask for the sale. On the closing call, that would be asking for the appointment, and when you're out on the deal meeting, that would be asking for a signature. That doesn't seem all that hard, does it? Yet we still get a little anxious about sales, and certainly part of that is the fear of rejection. Just remember this one truth: they never reject you. That's right, you never get rejected in this business. What happens is you offer sellers a certain plan, which involves them giving you a little bit of time to pay them off in full. The sellers have their own plan, and if their plan doesn't fit with your plan, they're going to reject your plan. Okay, it's going to be a no, and there's not a heck of a lot that you can do about it in some cases. But don't get it wrong, they are not rejecting you personally, although frankly, sometimes it kind of feels personal, especially the way some of these suspects, we call them suspects, say no. Just remember, they are never rejecting you, they are rejecting your plan for buying their house. Here's a favorite saying that we have in our office: even if they make it personal, don't take it personal. So even if they're kind of grouchy, just remember, guys, you wouldn't want to live in their head. I'd rather have you feel sorry for them before you feel upset or take it personal. Now, if that was your one and only lead and they were unpleasant to you, then it's obviously going to be more distressing. So you just have to get more leads and use the proven scripts on more sellers. The more leads you have, the less any one lead is going to mean to you emotionally. The very next lead might say yes with a big smile and be grateful that you came along. They could have an attitude of gratitude towards you, and that's going to be great, and it's going to work out great for you and them. Now, if the sellers don't even have a set plan, or if their plan is flexible enough to give you time and take little or nothing down, then you're in business and you'll be able to help that prospect. So that may only be 1 out of 5, 1 out of 10, or whatever number it is, but you just have to find and uncover those ones. Let me make one more important point here. Other investors may be anxious about the creative financing business because, frankly, you know what? They have to talk to prospects, and they really only want to submit low bids on junkers, distressed properties on their computer or through an agent, and anything else is going to scare them off. And you know what? That's a good thing, because it weeds out the competition. You're not like that. You're tough. You know the steps to take, and sales doesn't make you flinch. Yes, you can sell. With us and Ron LeGrand, you have the training, the proven scripts, and the confidence you need to succeed. If you need more motivated seller leads or any other help with scripts or systems, you know we have the resources to help. Just call our office at 888-RICH-NOW, talk to our staff, and we'll do our best to set up a time when we can actually talk with you one-on-one personally.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.